A clean face design with an exclusive crystalline ember bed embraces Napoleon's new collection of contemporary fireplaces. The Crystallo provides inspiration to create a hearth experience that focuses on warmth, beauty, and style. Napoleon's exclusive crystalline ember bed sparkles with modern elegance and features crystal lights that accent the crystals from below and can function with or without the flame. Simply irresistible. Radiant porcelain reflective panels come standard and echo flames and crystal reflections throughout the firebox. Optional contemporary surrounds are available in concave, convex, and wave designs, and in luxurious pewter and brown finishes. For your convenience, there are optional remote controls available and an optional blower kit for additional heat. Cost savings electronic ignition comes standard with the Crystallo and features up to 17,000 BTUs and a 50% flame heat adjustment. And all Napoleon fireplaces come with the President's limited lifetime warranty. Thanks for watching.